Guys, you won't believe what I just discovered. But, you know, I don't know if y'all know, but you see this, the normal, the little, soft icing truck, the blue and white one that plays Box Dancer. It's a shopper's world. You won't believe what I found if I go. Well, we have this one. I think it's a Carvel. I actually forgot. You'll see it in another video. Yeah, but look at this. Which ice cream truck is this? It's like a different soft ice cream. Is that the one that plays like Box Dancer in that really, really old video? That, I think it's that one ice cream truck that plays, that might be that one ice cream truck that plays Box Dancer from like 2007 in that one video. Yeah, what is that truck? Gotta know more about this truck. Alright, bye guys.